may gamble na eh.
Palakpakan po natin, madlang people, J. Mark Kadiwetan.
You gave it your all.
Yes.
Naramdaman namin ang puso mo. Naramdaman namin na pinipilit mong ibigay lahat at gawing lahat. Naramdaman namin. Congratulations for that.
Yeah.
Congrats, J-Mark.
Lumaban ka, J. Mark.
Gayunpaman, marami kasing elemento ang patimpalak na ito, di ba? Technical, emosyonal, kung paano mo pinipresenta ang iyong pagkanta. Kaya yun ang pipilitin nating unawain. Kaya kakausapin natin si Sir Louie.
Hi, J. Mark. I feel for you, ha? Masakit. Masakit talaga na hindi ka... Masakit mabilangan, actually. Kunyari, kung ako yung nakasali doon at biglang binilangan ako, nakaka-discourage talaga, no? So, but I saw, sa umpisa kasi meron Meron ng mga the please. Pero you have to remember, when I say the please na nota, kasi you have to work and you prove your worth to be in the grand finals. And now that this is really talagang yung talagang patigasan ng loob ngayon, you really have to do your best. Hindi ka pwede no chances for mistake. And there were a couple of mistakes when you were singing kanina yung tones, yung tune. And bumawi ka bago mag-chorus, bumawi ka. Sabi ko, ay, salamat nakabawi. Pero habang nag-progress yung chorus, meron talaga, may mga bad notes, no? And I respect the fighting spirit. I really respect that. I don't want to be in your shoes, but you gave it your all. You really gave it your all, and I respect you for that. But, as bilang punong horado, I have to have these standards kasi. We have to have a standard. Kasi, I was thinking of something kanina, parang, I'd rather na hindi ka ma-humiliate in the grand finals. Things happen for a reason. It's better it happened to you now. And that will make you a better and stronger performer. Okay? This is not the end. This is not the end. There are times for there's a reason for everything. And I believe this was the best thing to happen to you now because this will make you a better person, a better singer, performer.
Yes. And we have to give it to the judges. Tomorrow is going to be the grand finals. Siyempre, ang standard nila talaga ngayon ay kailangan nilang pangatawanan. At hindi rin naman sila papayag na yung grand finals, mababahiran. Kaya ngayon pa lang, kailangan pangatawanan nilang standard na meron sila. Pero ano man ang nangyari, katulad ng sinabi ko sa iyo, pag binigay mo ang lahat mo, kailangan mong ipagdiwang yung sarili mo.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi araw-araw pumapabor sa atin ang mga pagkakataon. Masakit, totoo yan. Masakit yan. I-acknowledge natin yung sakit ng karanasan na to. Pero naway gamitin mo yung sakit na yan para lalo mong paglinangin ang husay mo, lalo mong pagalingin ang talentong meron ka, at bukas makalawa, magkita tayo ulit. At patutuhanan mo sa amin na karapat dapat kang tanghalin balang araw. Palakpakan natin si J. Mark.
Naniniwala kami sa'yo, J-Mark.
Yes.
Huwag kang mawawala ng pag-asa. Pero eto naman, tanungin naman natin si Jurado Marco Season, baka may karagdagan siyang masasabi.
J-Mark, ganon talaga. Alam mo, napakaganda na sana eh. No? Tulad ng sinabi ni Vice kanina, nandun yung technical, nandun yung emotion. Huling-huli mo na kami. Yung total siguro na, let this be a lesson to you, diba? Sa lahat ng mga contestants, syempre, nilalahat ko na lahat, no? Na itong pagkakamali na to, yung pagdapa na to, pwede tayong bumangon anytime, diba? Anytime. Let this be a lesson for you to be, like he said a while ago, to be better, to be braver, to be more prepared pagdating sa ganitong level ng paligsahan. Napakaganda ng boses mo. I think you have a future, no? As far as I'm concerned. So, hindi pa tapos. Laban lang. Okay?
At saka matapang to eh.
Oo.
Kahapon kasi kinausap ko silang lahat. Isa siya sa pinakamatapang buong loob. Alam niyang,
Ibibigay niya.
oo, ilalaban niya yung pangarap niya, di ba? Ano man ang mangyari, at saka gising siya doon, ano man ang mangyari, ilalaban ko yon.
At nilaban niya.
Correct. Nakita namin at na-appreciate namin yon. This is really heartbreaking, pero paghanda ka na ulit, bukas ang pinto ng tawag ng tanghalan para pakinggan namin ulit ang team. Makikita ka ba namin ulit, J. Mark?
Babalik po ako. Mas preparado po.
Yeah!
Di pa ito ang
Stronger,
katapusan.
better.
Yes.
We love you, J. Mark.
J. Mark!
Congratulations.